Wetin make me wake up this morning talk na the matter na me I wan yarn make everybody hear. E get wetin dey pepper me for body, get wetin dey vex me wey dey hurt me well well. I dey always talk am say things wey be say I dey hear for especially our country Nigeria, if I hear am for my body my head dey hot well well, wey be say our leaders no dey even dey talk anything about it. The thing if I hear am my brain dey hot. Imagine now December now don reach, everywhere now don block, left right don block because of what? Because of our bad leaders, because dem don have anything they are doing they will motivate poor people. Only thing wey dem do is to motivate them, only them and their family. That thing now my brain just dey hot, e just dey hot my brother and sister. Make una put mouth for this matter. Imagine poor people now na local rice dem bring come for them for this Christmas, so this December na local rice now. Okay, wait, my question for them now, the local rice na dem dey chop for house abi na the foreign rice? Dem wan do everything hard for people, but make dem remember say time of election dem dey come out outside dey ask people make una come vote, make una come do this, we go bring power, we go bring change. But still till now nothing, light nothing, water nothing. They say Nigeria get oil, but they say Nigeria na im be the poor man name, but the oil na im be the big man name. But the thing I dey imagine now, because na the name now of oil na we dey hear, oil, but the money of inside we never see am. Dem no dey use am do anything. If you people remember time when Togo start dey kill Nigerians, dey slaughter Nigerians like say na chicken, if una remember. I'm not here to talk about what happened Ghana and South Africa. When we start butting in that issue, you see that there's nothing our leader are doing. When you look at Europe today, let me say about Europe again, you see that everywhere Nigeria go, everybody are putting eyes for Nigeria because of what? Bad leaders, our leaders. What I'm here today now is that let everybody wake up. Let us wake up. It is time. Let's wake up and tell our leaders this is not right. This is what we to do to make the country, to make everything benefit all people in the country. This is what we have to do. Not that you have the opportunity to step in and you want to let the poor people to act out of the place. No. You have to do something that motivate the country well, not only you, not only your family. When you say local rice, imagine say if local rice, where local rice come from? It come from Nigeria. And if you check different countries, you see that all of the country have a shop that if you are indigenous in that country, you have a power to enter there and choose what you like. If it's a good leader, that local rice will be a cheaper price. A price is that if they can spend money inside itself, it will be a cheaper price when we say small children can buy it. But for my own wisdom and my own understanding of that local rice, you're supposed to put it in a shop, everybody will go and collect it because it's local rice. So the foreign rice about it, you let everything down to your people. Anywhere when they like, if the local rice you like, you chop. If na foreign rice you like, you chop. You cook, you eat. That is it. Not that you force someone to eat a local rice when you don't know how the local rice come from. But you don't think about yourself. Is it that local rice you are eating? You block everywhere, border everywhere, left, right, you block everywhere. It shows that you are not a good leader. Thank you. That's what I have to say.